Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Lightshot is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So we have an option here and then you can select Lightshot and then you can select it and take a screenshot here. Okay, this is one way. The second thing is to check for Lightshot in the Windows search bar and then you can try running it as an administrator if you do not have administrator permissions only. The third thing is that you cannot do anything about it further. So the best that you can do if Lightshot is not working is to search for Lightshot and then uninstall it. Okay, I'll arrange it by date installed and then I will uninstall Lightshot. Okay, and then I will search for Lightshot download. And then go to its website and then select download and then click on open and then I can install it. I accept the agreement, install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.